What's up, my fluffy buns? So today I'm gonna do a Five Below haul and an Amazon haul, kind of like unboxing kind of thing. So let's just get started since I have like a lot of stuff going on right here. We're gonna start with my Five Below haul first. So I'm gonna open this first. We'll open the bigger one. So let's just see. Over here we have our phone stand. It's a light-up phone stand, as you can see. It's very cute. And next one, we have our boba squishy type lamp. And next one is the boba speaker. Love everything that has boba. And over here, which I know what it is, I bought all this myself, but my boyfriend, he sent all this for me, so I thank him for that. Over here, we got our Adventure Time t-shirt. It is a little big, but I don't mind it. I think I know what it is, so I'm not gonna tell you. So let's just open this. Oh yeah. Over here is the gummy bear lamp. I wanted the pink one, but they only have the blue one, so I got the blue one instead. It does match with my bed sheet though. It didn't break on the way. I think this is the boba trash can. Hold on, let me see if I can fix it. Boba trash can. It's very cute. I like it. And the last one is the boba mini fridge that I wanted. Let me try to open this. Sorry if it's upside down. I just didn't want you guys to see the address or anything, but yeah. So it's right here. It's not broken on the way. So here it is, the boba mini fridge. Let's see if I can open it. Yep, it comes in these stuff. Oh, hold on. You guys didn't see the full boba mini fridge, but here it is, the boba mini fridge. It's very cute. I like it. Now we're gonna open our Amazon packages. These are the juice boxes. Not juice boxes, juice bottles for my mini fridge. I'm gonna be adding juice to my mini fridge and some snacks. And I think this is the protective case for the Nintendo Switch and these Joy-Cons grip caps. Here, but I'll put that later. Here's the snack containers. Our last package is the keyboard. My boyfriend bought it for me. I paid extra shipping for it, so it will come today. Literally a lot of haul today. Yeah, it was for National Girlfriend Day. So happy National Girlfriend Day to everybody. He got this gift for me for National Girlfriend Day. So yeah, so we're just gonna open it. Here is the keyboard. It looks very heavy, doesn't it? I'm gonna try to open this, see what they got in here. The keyboard. If only I can find... Oh yeah. I'm just gonna open this. So it comes in these little wires. Wire or wireless. I think it is Bluetooth also, which I like. Comes in these little switches. These are, excuse me, tactile switches. And the full keyboard itself. Ooh, I'm literally sweating. Here's the manual. Here's the keyboard. It's really heavy compared to what it looks like, but here it is. And let's see what it sounds like. Ooh, it even sounds amazing. Really sounds amazing, but I might switch the switches and the keycaps later on. Like, I just did order the new switches and the keycaps like already. It won't come in until Tuesday, but yeah, it sounds pretty amazing. And it comes with the volume knob and the screen, and but yeah, one more thing. It should come in oh yeah, I'm missing one. It comes in the keycap puller and the keycap puller and the switch puller too. Almost forgot about that too. Hi, Enemy here. So I forgot to mention, the mini fridge does make a little bit of noise, but it's not that noisy. I mean, hopefully it's not that noisy. It sounds pretty quiet. It's just like the fan that is going through the mini refrigerator, but yeah. I forgot to mention, this keyboard is hot swappable, so you can change the switches and the keycaps and everything. One more thing I forgot to mention, the Laya phone stand, it can only plug up into something, which it's a little too far, which I can't even do that, so I might leave it somewhere and I'll still use the old phone stand, but I'll still use the new phone stand. It's that I had to plug it up somewhere so it'll light up or something, but yeah. Here's the Nintendo Switch that I got. Well, the case. This one has bunnies in it and everything. Let me just put this back right here. Here's the mini refrigerator. As you can see, it is very cold in there, so I let it sit there for a while. And here's the bear lamp. I'll turn it on in just a minute, but here's the boba lamp. See, it changes colors. Let me turn it off. Oh, there we go. And here's the keyboard. It took me forever to get this thing working, but it does not work on batteries. You have to charge this keyboard. I have a wire for that, so it can charge it. But the only problem is that I can't change the date and time. So I don't know what to do about that. But anyways, here's the BOA speaker, and I'm gonna test it out and see how it works. Gummy bear lamp that's light up. Now I'm gonna test it and see how it works. I can also turn down the volume and turn up the volume too. So here it is. Now I am making my bed, and here is the full keyboard. And I will do like a keyboard ASMR, typing ASMR, that kind of thing, another time. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time, my fluffy buns.